The thing which bothers me when finding the wallpapers, it's not easy to find good quality, lightweight but dynamic wallpapers, especially when it comes to the pixel wallpapers. If you have been through the same situation, then this video is end of your sufferings. So all these wallpapers here, they are dynamic or you could say live wallpapers. They all come from an app which is very lightweight on performance and battery. I'm using Samsung A52, but after installing Launcher 12 and this app, this smartphone feels like a pixel device. And trust me, it's because of this app I am now using live wallpapers on daily basis. The app is Doodle Live Wallpapers, and there are three things about this app which make it stand out. First one is lightweight nature of this app. The second one is its simplest app out there. Third one is functionality and variety this app provide. Yes, you heard that one right. And now you may be wondering how is this even possible? How an app can be simple but functional at the same time? Let me explain. Before coming to functionality part, let me tell you how this app is simple, which would also give you a mini tutorial how to use this app. When you open this app, you will see this button, Set Wallpaper. Tap on it and set the live wallpaper through this app. And now whenever you want to change the wallpaper, come to this app and choose one of the wallpapers provided here. You don't have to apply wallpaper again whenever you want to change the wallpaper. Change will take effect immediately when you choose one of the style provided here or one of the variants provided here. And heck, this app responds to light and dark mode of your system. You don't even have to change wallpaper to match your system theme. And this is one of the things why I like this app so much. And this is kind of functionality which is rarely seen in any other app, especially the wallpaper apps. Given the lightweight and simple nature of this app, don't make mistake to underestimate what this app can do. There are plenty of customization options that you can spend an entire day exploring them. Even without touching any single customization option, wallpapers are very dynamic already. And in case you didn't notice, there are subtle animations when unlocking the phone or scrolling through the pages or when opening the app drawer. And if you are wondering for what those customization options were for, say these elements or objects, they all can be adjusted according to your liking. All animations can be altered from the app, like strength of the animation or how subtle animation should be. So you are covered for any aspect of your wallpaper need here. One thing I want to clarify here. Neither I am developer of this app nor I have been paid to promote it. It's just that this app is so good, it should be praised. I don't know how, but this app is free, but it still doesn't have ads. Show developer some love and also this channel. Comment what you wanna watch next about the customization, and with that, let me sign out the video.